how to set up speed dial numbers on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the keypad tab. Then tap on the menu button at the top. And from the pop-up, tap on speed dial numbers. From here, select which speed dial number that you would like to assign. So here you have a list of different numbers. You can scroll up and down to select a number. Here we have a number 2, and then you can manually enter in the name or a phone number, or you can tap on the contact icon here and select a contact. Okay, so this is number 2, and then tap on the back key. Now to make the speed dial call, simply touch and hold on that particular number, and this will allow you to immediately make that speed dial key call. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.